Hi mga Frenny! Ang dami nating i-unboxing ngayon kasi dumating lahat yung mga in-order ko bago ako umalis papuntang other state. So, nandito na lahat yung mga beauty product. Open natin. Ito unahin natin. Ano, laman nito. Ito ay eye cream, my favorite. Dalawa po siya. Next is ito naman. Tada, my favorite. Hindi talaga ako dito nagpawala. Favorito ko talaga to every morning. So nice this product since then. Iskinol. Next is ito, open natin. My favorite serum. What we call the Sador. My favorite Sador. At saka next is ito. Ito next. Iwan ko, ano to, nakalimutan mo na to, anong mga laman ito. Oh my gosh, another serum which is very viral in TikTok, the Deep Collagen Power Boosting Cream of Sunboom Serum. Next is ito naman. Open natin. Excited ako. This one is I think it's vitamin C cream for my face, so that we're looking youthful all the time. So my favorite one, Sador product. Oh, dalawa pala sila. Sador, my favorite cream. These are all my beauty products. Sador cream. Vitamin C. This is really good for the face. Look at me. I don't have that line up yet. Next is ito ay ang toner ng Sador. Favorito ko talaga mga. Ito naman ay another Sador. Another vitamin C Sador. Ito naman, last box. I-open natin. Ito, open natin kung anong laman. Dami kong beauty product. Actually, these are all beauty product ng mga gamit ko. Ito yung beauty product na mga gamit ko. Tada! Ito ay Premium Rejuvenating Toner which is Beauty Vault. Very good on the face. And this one. These are my beauty product. I will show you something. I'll show more. Yan na lahat yung order ko. My beauty product. So good on my face. Ito yung maintenance ko for my face. Actually, this is my beauty product that I've been using for so long. Now is revelation, so you can see what I use for my face. A lot of people asking me, what did I use to my face? Because why is very nice, or there's no something what they mentioned to me. But these are all my product that I use. Actually, very simple. It just, you need to continue. And you get the nice result. Say ya. Bye-bye. I love all the product that I order. Say ya. Bye-bye.